This video is sponsored by Car-A-Liner, providers of high-quality collision repair systems. Visit us online for more information.
Do you measure a vehicle during the initial estimate? Measuring during the pre-op or disassembly stage will help to find the damage up front versus during the repair, which will only add headaches and confusion. Back in the good old days, when a vehicle got into a collision, most damage was restricted to the area of impact. As designs in vehicle safety improved, more energy transfer was being used, particularly in the front crash areas of vehicles. Now we see a great shift in where damage occurs. Visual indicators may not be there to see where damage has occurred. This is where measuring for damage becomes a more important step. Gaps in part fit-up are tighter and tighter. A good measuring system can pay for itself in not only finding damage, but speeding up repairs. Never underestimate the value of measuring for estimating and during repairs.